Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a money and work related reading for you. Some of my subscribers have reached out and requested for one, so I thought yes, why not? Because Virgo, love and money are energies, right? We can either attract it or we can block it. So I said yes, we're all going through a money crunch with this COVID and the way things are nowadays. Maybe, we can all get helped by something here which can help us attract more abundance in our life. So let's see what's going to come up for Virgo today. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please send us a message for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most on attracting more money and good work into their lives. Thank you. Begin. A big thank you to all my subscribers. This channel is barely 3 months old but is growing every day, healthy and beautiful, and it's all thanks to the love and blessings that you all send it. And I'm also very grateful and thankful to Spirit to allow me to bring these messages to you. So thank you so much for being part of the Omkara family. And if you're new here, do join us. We're a small little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, bi-monthlies, monthlies, and today, because one of my subscribers has suggested, I'm doing a money and work reading for you. Let me know how this works out. Maybe we can add it to one of our monthly readings. So let's see, Virgo. Three of Cups in reverse. Let's see what you're going through right now. The Judgment. Something brand new being carved out. A new life possibly. You are shutting out something from the old and beginning something brand new. Like a brand new chapter of your life. Yes. You are feeling good. Actually, you're feeling rather good. Everything is in balance. You want to bring justice into your life where things are concerned. You want to do right by everyone, and you want to do right for yourself as well. And you on this month, I think, making a decision to start something brand new for yourself, which can make you feel balanced as well. So what is this, Spirit? Six of Cups. So Spirit is saying that even though you have very good memories of what happened in the past, you're taking everything that you've learned from the past. In the past, maybe, you were this King of Wands who was trying to, have some... Oh, wow. How many cards of Judgment? 2 cards. I have 2 Judgment cards. So I think karma is really in your favor right now, Virgo. Whatever work you've done in the past, you've really put an effort to start something new for yourself. You have been very progressive in your work. You've done a lot of good work, and all that is going to pay off for you big time. Wow. Spirit is going to bless you beyond. I am speechless right now. I'm speechless right now. Something good karma is coming your way, Virgo. Something brand new is going to be offered to you soon, and it's going to give you so much happiness as you move into this brand new chapter of your life. What's your secret, Virgo? What are you doing? 1 second. Dropping anything that didn't work for you in the past. You've made a firm decision to have some very balanced approach to your life. You've made some very strong moves in your past, which has put you in that King of Wands energy now. Okay, a person who is successful in the past. And this month I see you getting blessed for everything that you've done, all the hard work that you've put in, and you carving out a balanced new beginning for yourself and dropping anything or anyone who doesn't work for you anymore from your past. Again, death, putting a total end to the past and having a transformation, a huge transformation coming into your life, Virgo, especially in your work. You have been putting in the work, meticulously working, pentacle by pentacle by pentacle, till, people probably saw you as a workaholic. but all that hard work is now going to pay off big time. It's going to be a fresh new beginning. Karma has been served, justice is coming to your life, a brand new beginning is approaching. So let's see what's happening. Oof. So expect things to be brought into balance. There's so much healing going on in your life, in your financial life, in your work life. Things are very, very balanced. What you're putting into your work is what you're getting out of it. And it's giving you a sense of peace, sense of joy. You've spent so much time, I think, not accepting any offers, not going out, not being with your friends, and only working, I think. But this month, I think everything is going to be balanced, Virgo. Not only your work life, but you are going to now feel that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whatever work you've put in is now giving you the results. And you can finally now, be the Knight of Wands, where you can come out to play for a little bit as well. Right? You can come out and enjoy what you've created. There's going to be fast-paced. It's going to be a very fast-paced month for you, Virgo, where you're going to be making these swift changes in your life, and it's all going to be because of all this past hard work that you've put in. And yes, you're going to make choices. You're going to make choices. Firm choices will be made to bring your life into balance. Maybe, Virgo, from what I see in the past, you were so heavy at work that you'd never got a chance to really enjoy the fruits of your labor. But this month, you're making a choice to move ahead, have a balanced life, because things are now stable, especially where work and money is concerned. Big choices, big choices. A lot of major arcana on the table for me to say that. Yes, you're not wanting to shut out anything now. Okay, maybe in the past you shut friends and family out. You were not interested in meeting people. You were only working. Right now I see that you are not shutting nothing off. You're in fact making a choice to bring back balance in your life, where you can have work, money, love, friendship, and everything else into your life. There's going to be no more confusion. In fact, you're going to have so many options to choose from. So many options to choose from. You will be confused. What should I do now? Should I, do this, or should I do that? Because good karmas are coming your way. 2 cards of judgment. You will be shocked at the gifts that are coming your way. Every aspect of your life is now going to be in the plus. So beautiful. So Virgo, let's see. What are you holding on to? You're holding on to the Empress in reverse. Still holding on, Virgo, to the feeling that you cannot have growth. You still don't have enough. That feeling that, okay, today I have it, tomorrow I may not have it. You keep going back and looking maybe at your bank balance, and you keep saying, oh, this is not enough. It's not enough, and I still need more. I don't know whether tomorrow it's going to work out right now or not. And maybe I need to work a little more. And so what if I'm, having abundance now? It can stop at any time. And Spirit is saying you're holding on to this feeling very, very hard, and you should not be holding on to it, because heart of hearts, right? Heart of hearts that this abundance is going to stay in your life forever, because this has come out of your internal work. This is something which is not given to you. It's a talent which is inside you, right? Nobody can take away your talent. It's something which you can pull out anywhere. It's like being a doctor, let's say, right? A doctor will remain a doctor, whether you can change a hospital or a clinic, but you will never lose being a doctor. So Spirit is saying, stop worrying. This abundance is not going to stop for you, ever. So don't be in this worried space to say, oh, this is all I have and I may not have more. So should I stop, or should I even balance my life out to enjoy the other aspects of life yet? Spirit is saying, please go within. This is a gift to you and it's inside you. You can tap into this, power at any given time. Let's see, what is it that you should let go of? Eight of Wands. So Spirit, why should Virgo let go of this Eight of Wands? Spirit is saying, don't tell too many people about your plans right now, okay? It's right now time to go within and take a little rest. Heal a little bit, okay? It's best not to announce too much to too many people about, maybe you don't want to work together with someone, or you don't want to, work in some area of your life anymore. Right now, let go of that fact that you're answerable to anyone. If you say you don't want to work, say if you're a doctor and you don't want to work with a hospital anymore, you go for your happiness, okay? You go do what you feel is right. Don't worry too much about what will people say. This person is worrying too much. A person is worrying too much that if I tell people what I want and what makes me happy, it's not going to work out. So Spirit is saying, let go of that worry. You're not to be worried anymore. You have to concentrate on your happiness at this point. Let's see, what is your biggest hurdle this month, Virgo? Two of Cups in reverse. So Spirit, why is Two of Cups in reverse a hurdle for Virgo? From what I feel, yes. You feel, Virgo, if you move ahead passionately with your own, if you have any plans or whatever, you may lose out on someone's love. And someone may get very angry with you and may get bitter with you. You may lose that person's love. Spirit is saying, don't be in that mood at all, because the more you're going to think like that, it's going to become a hurdle. And you will not be able to take that, fresh new beginning for yourself. You want to take this fresh new beginning. You want to make a stable new start for yourself. But your worry here, Virgo, is that if you, become this King of Wands and take this leap of faith forward, somebody is going to be very angry and you forever more will lose their love. And the more you're going to think that way, it's going to become a hurdle in your moving ahead. So Spirit's saying, please don't think that way. You're not going to lose nothing. Virgo, let me tell you one thing. In life, you can only make people happy if you're happy. If you live in an unhappy situation, see how much love there is for you? You can never lose this, Virgo. This cup is overflowing. So that's exactly what I was saying. First, it's self-love. If you can give love to yourself, if you can make yourself happy, only then can you make somebody else happy. I'll give you an example. In India, say there is a child who wants to go for further studies, and the parents are not allowing it, and the child still wants to work towards getting higher education. Momentarily, let's say, how Indian parents sometimes are, they don't want to lose their child and whatever for so many years abroad. So they'll say, oh, don't go. But the point is, if that child gets educated and makes good money, that child can then come back and help their parents, right? And whatever said and done, the parent is only saying not to go because they love the child so much. So don't worry about it. If you want to do something which makes you happy first, and which finally you can gain maybe an education or work or better pay, go in for self-love first, because that love then you can come back and return 100 times more. And don't worry, you're not going to lose out on this love, irrespective whether you make it or you don't make it. If whoever's love losing you are fearing, if that person loves you, will love you anyway. Okay, so please go on and move forward. Spirit is urging you that we have blessed you with something so special. Don't let it go waste because of your worry. This is how people see you, Virgo. They see you as charging ahead to accomplish your own goals, and you may be worried inside, but people see you as totally emotionless. You're not showing your emotions, even though they know that you have a lot of love. They feel you're not expressing it, and the only thing that is on your mind is you and yourself, and how you want to charge ahead, without stoppage. People see that in you. And even though you may be afraid, people around you have already guessed that you are on your way to accomplish your own goals, and they also are seeing that yes, this Virgo loves a lot, but you know, it's very difficult for this Virgo maybe to express their emotions sometimes. So, and that was exactly what was in your read, right? Let's see Spirit's secret message for you, Virgo. 8 of Swords. I told you, you are in a self-imposed prison. You are fearing what people are going to say, Virgo. If you move ahead, nobody is going to say anything. This is the only card in the tarot deck when nobody is holding this person down except their own worry, their own fear, their own you know, stress. These 9 wands around you are around you. You can walk straight out. There is nobody around this person holding them back except their own worry, their own fear. So don't stay in this place, Spirit is saying. That's a secret message to you. This is all self-imposed. You are right now in this energy where you are feeling confused. Okay, that's the only thing that's holding you back. You're not moving ahead. It's keeping you stuck in this place where you don't know whether, you know, you should use that last one to charge ahead or not. But Spirit is saying, no, please run ahead, and you know, there's nothing to worry about. Fight another day. Yes, you are the warrior. Don't give up. Don't give up. So this card, the 9 of Wands, is also a card of not giving up. 2 cards, same card. Spirit is emphasizing on this card heavily. Of this 9 of Swords, Spirit is saying all you have, Virgo, right now is stress, worry, which is in your own head. Spirit is, you know, backing off and saying, hey, we didn't send this to you. This is Spirit's card for you, okay? So Spirit is saying, we haven't given you this. It's nowhere around you. This is what you've done for yourself, Virgo. This is your free will. What we have given you is this: temperance, justice, and judgment. We've blessed you with this. Now, are you going to take it, or are you going to stay stuck there and worry and think and just not move? So let's take an angel blessing card for you as well. Positive card for my beautiful Virgos to give them strength, Spirit, to follow their dreams. Yes. Virgo, whatever your plans are, they are the right plans. You've already found the direction of your life. Keep your vision very, very strong. Look at this person's eyes. They're not looking left, right, back. They're looking straight ahead, right? They're looking up to the heavens because they've been praying for this. And Spirit is saying, we have heard your vision. We feel your prayers. Whatever you were asking for, we've already given it to you. But are you going to stay here and not take it? Are you going to stay stuck all the time? We've already given this to you. So move ahead. Take charge of your vision, and the only path forward right now, Virgo, for you is ahead. Okay? You have done well, and you're going to continue doing well. So only your emotions are keeping you stuck right now. With that said, that's all I have for you, Virgo. We'll meet you next week. Love and light. Namaste to all of you, and take care.